What is Amazon AppStream 2.0? Amazon AppStream 2.0 is a secure, reliable, and scalable service for application streaming and virtual desktop delivery. It's part of the AWS end-user computing, offering a versatile platform for various use cases. How it works for Amazon AppStream 2.0? Amazon AppStream 2.0 simplifies desktop application delivery by allowing users to install their operating system or applications on AWS just like on a local machine. It integrates with existing identity, network, and storage solutions or provides built-in user management and persistent storage. Desktops and applications are centrally managed by Amazon AppStream 2.0 and can be streamed securely to users via a browser or client, enabling access from any computer. This offers flexibility and ease of use for distributed and scalable application deployment. Thank you for joining this training session on Amazon AppStream 2.0. We're excited to help you explore the potential of this innovative AWS service.